first step is that you have to assess your debts and bring yourself to be accountable that you're how you're going to pay it. You must assess the fact that, okay, just because I earn X amount of money, that doesn't mean that I have to spend each and every penny of it. 20% of your money has to go into your savings account. 30% of your income has to go into your investments. About if you are putting all your money in the bank, you are not going to retire. You're going to retire in poverty. And we have to train ourselves to educate ourselves and our kids. And when you educate yourself, you're also educating your kids. You know, when they see you budgeting, when they see you talking about emergency funds, when they see you giving this topic importance, they will understand slowly and steadily that this is important.